Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to talk about. This is DJI's upcoming flagship drone, the Avata 360, and it's finally on the way. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. I was lucky enough to get some early hands-on time with it before the official launch. Since the drone hasn't been officially released yet, it's scheduled to launch on March 26. I'm not able to share the full specifications or dive into all of its features just yet. So think of this video as a quick preview rather than a full breakdown. What I can say though is that this drone is shaping up to be something special. The Avata 360 feels like a true flagship product, and it's definitely one to keep an eye on. It pushes beyond the traditional aerial photography experience and introduces a fresh way to capture content from the sky. The very first thing that impressed me was the image quality. The visuals produced by the Avata 360 look incredible, and they're more than good enough for serious creative work. This isn't just a drone for casual flying. It has the potential to be a powerful tool for professional image creation. Right now, it easily stands out as one of the best panoramic drones when it comes to overall image quality. Another thing that really surprised me was the shooting and post-production workflow. After more than 10 years of working with horizontal shooting, the experience with the Avata 360 felt completely different. It doesn't just make filming more enjoyable, it changes the entire creative process. The way you capture and work with footage opens up new perspectives and gives creators a totally different approach to storytelling and content production. The official launch of DJI's flagship panoramic drone, the Avata 360, is set for March 26. Once it's released, I'll be bringing you a full, in-depth review, including comparisons with other drones currently on the market. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.